Okay, well, as you can see, this is a swarm of bees which is in the tree. We've just found this. It's early on Saturday morning, 1st of June. Last weekend when we inspected our hives we thought everything was fine, so our bees shouldn't have swarmed. So at this point we don't know whether it is our bees and they've swarmed, or whether someone else's bees have swarmed and ended up in this tree. So, but the difference is this year we're quite well prepared. So we have a hive ready for this kind of eventuality. So what we're going to try to do shortly, when we've gathered ourselves and got our costumes on and whatnot, is we're going to try and get that swarm of bees into our spare beehive that we already had prepared. That's the plan anyway.
What's that stump, Richard? Well, that won't be any good on the picture. All they'll get is our legs.
We're going in.
Yes, we're coming to get you.
It's not supposed to happen, George.
All right. George, we've only had them 12 months. Yeah, it's happened twice. Twice it's happened in 12 months. So we'll have to be careful next time that
just above the swarm and put the swarm gently. I don't think we need a cheerleader.
do you not? I was going to stand on the branch.
Right, now as we pull it,
Just drop them straight into the hive. Hopefully that's the plan.
let's get a peek. Way where they can get well, so far what we've managed to do is cut to the branch, get the most of the bees into the box, but then some of them have started going back into the tree, so we're not sure whether we've missed the queen and the queen's still in the tree, or whether it's maybe just that her pheromones are still there, so the bees think she's still there, so some of them will stay there, because that's what happened with the patch on the path last year. So we're just going to wait and see what happens for the next couple of hours, but it's all, we're doing the best we can.
So otherwise they're going to swarm again and we'll have to get them in then. It might be better if we try to...
Okay, well, it's all happening today, isn't it? Basically, when we've gone through this hive, Cleopatra's hive, there's a lot of queen cups, and some of them look quite good actually, and there's also less bees. There's evidence of laying in the lower part, the brood box, and the higher part, so we're not sure if we may have had two queens in there by accident somehow.
Yes, of course. If
with
a
queen
queen
excluder in between.
And we've got the queen excluder.
Possibly.
The one on the bottom can't kill the one at the top, or vice versa,
No.
can they? Because they can't get to each other.
Yeah, bingo.
So that's why we've got two queens in one hive.
Yes, and then a load of queen cups. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually take the queen, one of the frames with a good queen cup on it, put it in the nuke to hopefully grow another hive, and then this is what's supposed to happen in June. It is June. It's the 1st of June. Bees know it's June, so that's what they're doing. Right. Don't actually swarm.
They're just the...
That's just the rest of the hive. Yeah. And then the lid is behind you.
Yep.
We're going to have them going this way, won't we?
Yeah. And that's the way they were, really, isn't it, in the tree?
Yeah. What they were already. I think so, don't we?
That might matter.
Caroline.
Do we want just one super one? Or we do Richard's coming?
Yeah.
And that's their second house, is he in?
This is George and Richards. Okay.
This is our area of responsibility.
Right, is that? Oh,
okay.
We need to just... How many? 3 hives and 5 people.
new hive?
Any
Door
good?
on or door off? Door on.
Door. Bit hot.
Door off.
Door off, I think.
Okay.
Ah.
And that's your fourth hive. If it hatches the queen.